In this problem, we're going to solve an equation. The method that we're going to choose for this problem is going to be by clearing the fractions, and the reason why is because I personally don't like fractions. So let's practice getting rid of those fractions. Now, since we have both denominators of 2, this is very simple. The LCD, the least common denominator, is just simply 2 because it's the same. So in order to eliminate the fractions, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So here we go. Now what happens here is the 2's will simplify. Now I want to make sure I point out that right here you do not multiply this 2 by the 2x plus 5. That would be incorrect. The associative property of multiplication tells us that we can switch around the order of multiplying and it's still the same. That means that whenever we multiply, we can multiply just these two numbers together and it's still the same. So you only want to multiply the two numbers. Do not try to distribute the 2 to the parentheses. That can be a very common confusion. This 2 here will also simplify. So what we're left with is 3 times 2x plus 5 equals 15. Now this is not as complicated as it originally looked. We're going to distribute this 3 inside the parentheses. That leaves me with 6x plus 15 equals 15. Now we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. Again, we want to eliminate the number that's being added or subtracted. We want to eliminate that before we try to eliminate the number that is being multiplied by x. So if there's a doubt, always make sure you are eliminating that number that's being added or subtracted from x. So we left with 6x equals 0. Now, some of you might think, oh, there's no solution, but there is a solution. 6 times some number is equal to 0. What number would that be? That number is 0. Another way you can look at this is if we have that 6x equals 0, well, normally we would be dividing by 6 to get rid of that 6. 0 divided by 6 is 0. Now if we want to check this, we can plug in x equals 0 and solve. This will go away completely, 6 times 0, leaving us with 3 halves times 5, and we can write that 5 as 5 over 1. So yes, this is true. Our answer checks out. So my answer is x equals 0.